How to change region on Android on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change your Netflix region, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change your region on Netflix, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all, let's say that you're trying to watch something that is not available in your region. That is because Netflix does not have the license to actually license it to all areas. That's why they will not be able to stream the movies for you. That's why each country has their own Netflix account and their own way to subscribe to the premium membership. Now in case you want to watch a show that is not available in your country, what you need to do is you just need to download the VPN that is dedicated to that specific country. Now there are VPNs like Touch VPN, Express VPN, but the problem with these type of VPNs personally I think is that I'm not hating on any VPN app over here, but personally I think that they just have too many servers, and when they say they're connecting to Amsterdam, but in reality they're connecting to somewhere in Florida. So that's the problem with these multi-VPN apps that you have. So in this case I just recommend you to download a VPN that is dedicated only for that country. If you're trying to watch a US show, I want you to simply download a US VPN over here that is only dedicated for US servers, in this case, not a multi-VPN application. In this case I have this one installed. I can just go ahead and then open this VPN application. Depending upon the country and the VPN app that you're trying to connect to, it may take a couple of seconds to load the application and deal with some ads, and you can tap the connect option. It will take some time to connect to the VPN, as you can find it over here. And then you'll be able to successfully change the region and then watch those restricted shows. This way you can change the Netflix region on Android. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.